Yo, what's up, y'all? So Latrell, and today I got kind of a different video, but today's gonna be on why I think Samsung should just like completely just get rid of Android and just like go straight for Tizen. So I'm gonna let you know why. Okay, so I'm gonna start off this video by saying like I never use Reddit, but I did for this one instance. So I posted this like long comment. I really didn't think it would be this long, but it was. But somebody basically asked if Tizen's gonna replace Android in the future, and I said they should, and I listed my reasons and all that. So I'm gonna share it with you guys. Okay, reason number one, faster, more frequent updates. So we all know, like all of us know, like for certain, like it's not even a secret that Samsung has a big problem with updating Android phones. But they have zero problems updating their Tizen watches. So this is why I really think they should go with Tizen on their phones because, well, they have more control and all that, and they know what they're doing more. So I think it would bring more faster updates and just like more updates in general. Like they have control over the software, so that's why it will be faster. And most of us like updates, right? Like look at my most popular video. That's on Android 8.0 on here. And yeah, it just came out, even though it came out like probably like last year. So yeah, they definitely have a big problem with that. But if it was Tizen, it'll probably be out the same day Tizen came out for all their devices. Reason number two, faster and smoother performance. So on my Gear S3 Frontier and my Gear S2 Classic, Tizen is as smooth as butter, guys. Like it is like it's just like butter smooth. The experience is great. Like I like using Tizen on here a lot. On the other hand, when I switch my phone, sometimes it will lag up on me. Like right now, it's pretty smooth. Like it seems alright right now, but it will lag up on me sometimes, which gets annoying. And I blame Android for that. Android always had a reputation for like lagginess and all that, so I blame Android for that. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I also blame it for the updates too. Like we all know that. But if Tizen were on these phones, I feel like it'll be a lot faster and a lot smoother than Android is because we know about the lag and all that Android can give us. We don't see it that much anymore, but it's still there. But like I said, on here it's just smooth as butter, guys. Like it works like great. So I would like to see Tizen on there because of that reason. Reason number three is better optimization. So yeah, it would be better optimization because again, Samsung owns the phone and they own the software. So just imagine those just like combined together. Like that would be great. Some people like to think that Samsung owns Android, but it's obviously Google. But if Tizen were on here, then it'll be a lot better optimization because it'll be Samsung working with their own stuff, their own software, their own hardware. So I could see it working out. Number four will be that the devices will work better. So again, this like refers back to Samsung owning Tizen. So imagine if these two ran Tizen, and obviously this already runs Tizen, and their TVs and their refrigerators. Imagine if all that ran Tizen, the phone, the tablet, the TV, the refrigerator, the watch, all that ran Tizen. Samsung will know what to do and just like make it all like connect well. We all hear about the Apple ecosystem over and over again, which I tried and I really don't see what's the big deal about it. But anyways, Samsung will do a lot with their own software just on all their devices. I can see it working out. And number five will be no more bloatware. So people say that Samsung has their own bloatware on Android when I really don't see that. People say they have two calculators and two calendars and stuff like that. Where? But those apps will just be like regular apps on Tizen because, you know, Samsung owns them and those are the native apps. And carriers can't put their own like bloatware on there. Samsung could allow that, but I really don't see that happening on their own OS. Like, I really don't see that happening. And guys, that is why I think Samsung should just ditch Android and just go with Tizen. Like, I really think they should. I think it'll be a good idea. Like, maybe in the start it'll be kind of hard from the PR and all that, but overall I think it'll just work out. Like, let's be honest, out of all the tech companies out here, like Motorola and HTC and HP and all these other companies, Samsung will be the one to pull it off. And to be honest with you, I would go all in on this. Like, you guys already know I am the Samsung fanboy, so, I mean, it makes sense, right? But guys, that's pretty much it, so thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.